So at this point, I have already created my jig template, and now I've recorded trials where I've moved my force platform. So in this example, I've created my jig template, and it's created as a v3s file, and you can see this looks like a normal Visual 3D pipeline command. So now I'm going to load my trials where I've moved my force platform. So these 4 trials, I've inclined the force platform at various degrees. So if I set this to this trial and I scroll through the trial, I can see my CalTester. This is my CalTester rod, and it's really not near the center of pressure. That's because the force platform is actually inclined 10 degrees. And the same is true for all of these. So assuming these are movement trials, they're going to update my force platform corners based on the location of this jig. And you can see that the jig is moving. So I'm going to set this to all files, and I'm going to go to the pipeline, and I'm going to open, I'm going to replace what I have in here, and I'm going to open my FP2 jig template. I'm going to run this pipeline, and now when I go back and scroll through each file, I should see the force platform corners have been updated, and you can see that the force is really created in the correct location. So if I go through each trial, this is true. So in this example, I loaded trials where I'm applying force using a CalTester rod, but this would be the point when you would load your dynamic trials and run the platform corners from jig pipeline command. And that's how you use your jig template.